Navigation controls bar not working on your Samsung phone? No worries, here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix the navigation bar issue on your device. So let's get straight into it. Before you do anything, open Settings, scroll down, tap Display, scroll down, tap Navigation bar, try to switch to a different navigation bar and see if that works or not. If it does not work, try the following guide. Solution 1. Turn off the transparent navigation bar. Go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the developer options, make sure to turn it on first. Then scroll down, find out the transparent navigation bar option, and then toggle it off. Solution 2. Update your software. Go back to the settings again, scroll down, tap software update, then tap download and install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. That's it. Your issue is now solved. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.